The surprise party for mom. 8-year-old Brian loved his mom more than anyone else in the whole world. She was the one who woke him up with gentle kisses every morning, made his favorite sandwiches for breakfast, and always helped him with his homework. No matter how tired she was, she never forgot to tuck him into bed at night, reading him stories until he drifted off to sleep. Her birthday was only a week away, and Brian wanted to do something truly special for her. This time he thought of a long while flowers, no, a toy that would just be for him. Then suddenly an idea flashed in his mind like a light bulb. A surprise party, he whispered to himself, grinning from ear to ear. That evening after dinner, Brian went to his father's study. He closed the door carefully so his mom wouldn't hear. Papa, he said in a low voice, I have a secret plan. Let's throw a surprise party for Mama. His father took him with wide eyes and then smiled. That's an amazing idea, Brian. But remember, if it's a surprise, Mama must not find out. Can you keep the secret? Brian puffed up his chest. Of course, Papa, I'll be very careful. Together they sat down with a notebook and made a list. Decorations, balloons, streams, and a big colorful banner. Cake, her favorite chocolate cake with strawberries on top. Guests, Grandma, Grandpa, Auntie Sana, Uncle Rehan, and the cousins. Gifts. Brian would make a handmade card with drawings and add a little poem. The next few days were filled with excitement. Whenever his mom wasn't around, Brian and his father whispered about the plan. One afternoon, Brian went to the shop with his father to buy balloons and streamers. He picked a bright pink and golden because he knew his mother loved these colors. At school during class, Brian began working on his secret gift. He folded thick paper into a card and decorated it with colorful drawings of flowers, hearts, and stars inside. He wrote in a big letter, Dear Mama, you are the best mom in the world. You make me happy every day. I love you forever, Brian. He even tried writing a short poem. A hug from you makes me strong. With you, my dreams are never wrong. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you more each passing year. When he showed the card to his father, Papa gave him a tight hug. She will love this more than anything in the world, Brian. Finally, the big day arrived. In the morning, Brian wished his mother casually, trying not to give away any secrets. Happy birthday, Mama, he said, hugging her. I'll give you your present later. She smiled warmly. Thank you, my little one. All day, Brian was bubbling with normal excitement, but he acted normal, so his mother wouldn't suspect anything. Meanwhile, Papa kept her busy by taking her shopping in the afternoon. As soon as they left, Brian and his grandparents quickly decorated the living room. They blew up balloons, hung streamers, and placed fairy lights around the window. A huge banner stretched across the wall. Happy birthday, Mama! The cake arrived just in time, a big chocolate cake covered in strawberries and cream. The guests started coming in quietly, whispering and laughing as they hid behind the sofa and curtains. When the doorbell rang, Brian's heart started racing. Papa opened the door and walked in with Mama. She looked tired but happy, carrying a shopping bag in her hand. She stepped into the living room and suddenly, "Surprise! Happy birthday!" everyone shouted. Mama gasped, her eyes grew wider as she looked around the decorated room filled with her family. Balloons floated in every corner. The fairy lights twinkled like stars, and the delicious smell of cake filled the air. She put her hand on her heart and turned to Brian. "Oh my goodness, you did all this?" Brian ran to her with his handmade card. "Yes, Mama, we wanted you to feel as special as you make us feel every single day." Mama's eyes filled with tears and she hugged him tightly. "This is the best birthday gift I've ever received. Brian, you made me the happiest mother in the world." The party was filled of laughter. The cousins played games, grandma sang an old birthday song, and everyone enjoyed the food. When it was time to cut the cake, Mama closed her eyes, made a wish, and blew out the candles as everyone clapped and cheered. Later, while the guests were leaving, Mama sat on the sofa with Brian on the sofa. She held his little card to her hand. "I will keep this forever," she said softly. "One day, when you're grown up, I'll still read it and remember how my little boy made my birthday so special." Brian smiled, feeling proud that night as he lay in his bed. He realized something important. Gift and parties were fun, but what truly mattered was the love behind them. His mother's happiness was the real present, and he had given it to her with all his heart. And so Brian drifted off to sleep, dreaming of the warm smile on his mother's face, knowing it was a birthday she would never forget. Thank you for watching the video.